How to stake cryptocurrency on Bitrue. Are you guys facing issues to stake cryptocurrency on Bitrue? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To stake crypto on Bitrue, first of all, open the app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now on the home screen, tap on or staking, which you can see over here. Just simply tap on staking. Once you click on staking, browse the available staking product. You can choose flexible staking for easy access and fixed staking for a higher reward by locking your crypto for a set period. Select the cryptocurrency you want to stake like BTC, USD or BTR. Enter the amount you want to stake, review the staking period, interest rate and terms. Once everything looks good, tap stake now or confirm. Your crypto will start earning reward immediately when you claim or reinvest later. That's it guys. That's how we're gonna stake cryptocurrency on Bitrue mobile application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.